NATO has released cockpit video recordings of the air raids. These two reportedly show the attack on a Serb radio command post on Mount Jaharina. NATO have only released pictures of successful raids, as here on the Vogosja arms factory. So it's not yet clear whether all the laser-guided missiles were as accurate as NATO would like to claim.
The results of our strikes have, in my assessment, been very successful. I must tell you that we've had some weather problems. We've obviously missed some targets. But overall, I believe that we are being very successful in the prosecution of these air operations.
One other NATO operation is underway to try and rescue the two French airmen who ejected from their Mirage fighter when it was shot down by a surface-to-air missile. French officials deny the two men have been captured.
We are exerting every possible effort towards the rescue of the French pilots who ejected yesterday. I do not wish to discuss that particular incident any further, but I just say that I hope that our efforts will mirror the successes of the Scott O'Grady case of June.